Get ready for a sweet Italian treat that will transport you straight to Grandma's kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of traditional Italian Carnival desserts, and let me tell you, it's going to be a delicious journey. We are in Abruzzo, and we are going to make Cicerchiata. Let's get started. First, prepare the dough by combining flour, eggs, sugar, oil, a pinch of salt, and baking powder. Use a fork to initially mix the ingredients, then knead everything together by hand until you have a soft, smooth, and cohesive dough. Cut the dough into thin strips, then roll the strips into long ropes about the thickness of a finger. Cut these ropes into small pieces, roughly the size of chickpeas, then patiently roll each piece into a small ball. Lightly coat the dough balls in flour. Heat the vegetable oil in a deep pan. Once hot, fry the dough balls in batches until they are golden brown. Use a slotted spoon to remove them and drain on paper towel. In a saucepan, warm the honey over low heat. Add the fried dough balls and almonds, then stir continuously to evenly coat the dough balls in the honey, ensuring it does not remain at the bottom of the pan. Transfer the honey-coated dough balls into cupcake liners and, optionally, sprinkle with a touch of cinnamon. While still sticky, decorate with sprinkles if desired. Enjoy!